That one will fit you.
Let me see. Let me get on it.
You look nice on it.
Huh?
Yes. Yes.
This it right here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's it right there.
Right here? You trying? They got the KTM right here. I've been looking at this one. Is this the it's the H? I don't know. Husqvarna? I think it is. Y'all button, y'all 2025. Bikes is what I love. This feels so good. Man, tell me, man. What goggles should I get, man? What goggle look fly? Let's see, before wait, I'm gonna put one in my head first. I'm gonna put one in my head. And I'm gonna think what you'll like.
So I'm saying, like, I gotta choose
Out of all these right here. I'm gonna think of which one you gonna pick. I got it in my head already.
You don't know which one about.
I picked it in my head already. I wanna see.
Which one's you will pick?
Huh?
And I gotta pick which ones you'll pick?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna get the ones that you think is fly.
Okay.
I think you like these right here.
No.
Damn.
Not even close.
That's not.
I chose that one.
You chose blue?
That's my favorite color. My favorite color blue.
Blue?
But I'm not saying that's the one you should get. That's just the one that I like.
Okay, which ones you
Neon.
think? Nah, I ain't going with neon. I'm too. Your skin tone, man.
It's gonna pop more because you black. A bright color. I mean,
Let's look on the other side. Is that other side?
these ugly.
Yeah, these ugly. So which one should I get though?
I mean,
which one look?
Because clearly you like them.
I thought they were cool. I ain't saying I want them though. I just thought they were cool. I thought they were smart.
Then get them. Miami color.
They got like a Miami colorway. Kind of. I think if it was more orange and pink, it would.
Get them. They not bad. I don't know. You can't really see how they look outside the box.
Let them see. Hold on. Either colorway.
Turn them around. They look very girly.
Look girly? I agree. I agree with you. So these ain't it?
No.
Your favorite color orange. I mean your favorite color blue. Mine orange. But I don't want that one though. That fair? I don't know. It's something about the. I don't know. I don't care for that. But
I mean, these not bad. Kind of ugly, but
no, I mean if they ugly, then why would I get them?
I don't know. How about those?
You just said they girly. If those look girly, I know them.
Sure.
They want cool.
You want a clear one?
Man, what y'all think, man? What y'all think in the comment section, man? Which pair is fly? You fly? You fly? You ain't fly.
No.
I have to shop online, goddamn.
Just might, cause these all ugly.
What you think of these?
Told you I like them.
I ain't tying them up and all that. I don't know, man. I've never been a fan of blue. I've never been a fan of blue. Blue ain't never blue and red just never stuck with me. Like both them colors, like.
Cause everybody like them. It's probably why.
Is that why? Could be. It's blue.
They get black. You can't go wrong with black.
The black? It's just plain though. You know? I might have to go online.
Oh, hold on.
What happened?
No?
Dang. I don't know. I ain't want the clear look. The clear look.
I mean, it's dark a little bit. It's a little bit.
Nah, I need that bit black.
You could change it.
Oh yeah, the inner visor. Let me see about. Let's see. Another 2025. Oh, you rolled up before?
One. See?
What you buying me? Not a damn thing, huh?
Okay, you think it's fly?
Me personally?
But it gotta be like a tinted goggle, and not the clear, not the clear gray ones. Let's see what you got. That's that one, right?
No. These are 100%. That's LS2.
Oh, that's CJ? Yeah, see that? Are we able to change the interface?
Huh?
Oh, wait, we can't. I can't take it out, can I?
Yeah, you can.
Oh.
I'll be right back.
Okay, yeah. Let me try these out. Hold on. Even though I just said I don't like red. How these look?
They actually don't look bad.
Huh?
I said they actually don't look bad.
They don't look bad?
No.
Go look at them. Just got a fresh retwist or whatever. Just got a fresh retwist. Let me see. Got no lights. Oh, the red don't. Yeah, the red do it.
Yeah. They don't look bad. Yeah, he might have picked a good pair.
Huh?
So you might have picked a good pair.
He might have picked a good pair. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, we gotta run with these. Yeah, I like. Is there? Oh, you cut that one off.